Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. This is gold plated, over 925 sterling silver. The two Canine caps on the top, two Canine caps on the bottom. You got the connecting bridge on the front there. Alright, you got the diamond dust finish on the caps. It's a beautiful custom fitted grill set, guys. Here's the back side real quick. So it's not much to see on the back. It just snaps right on the teeth there. But yeah, it's available on our website, blingcartel.com, guys. This is a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. Making a quick video about it. Check us out. We have a lot of different designs. blingcartel.com. Check us out. Thank you for watching. As always, you all have a good one.